The Hiden secrets. To become your true self. Feeling like you're not being authentic or reaching your full potential ever happened to you? There are a lot of people who share your concern that we may be avoiding being ourselves fully. You are not alone in this struggle. We will explore practical ways to help you reveal your authentic self in this presentation. Authenticity is a simple yet profound notion, so let's break it down. Being true to oneself, standing firm in one's beliefs, and acting in accordance with those beliefs are all components of authenticity. As an analogy, try not to put on a front in order to fit in or win over other people. It all comes down to being authentic even when no one is looking. Carl Jung is a renowned psychologist who developed a theory called individuation. This isn't as complicated as it seems. It's about connecting your conscious and unconscious minds to become your authentic self. It's as if you're piecing together your mental image of yourself, piece by piece. This is a voyage to self-discovery and acceptance, so try to see it that way. Recognizing your own merits and shortcomings without passing judgment is the essence of authenticity, not striving for perfection. It's as if you're meeting yourself for the very first time, fully exposed and unfiltered. Imagine your conscious mind as the star performer and your unconscious mind as the supporting cast and crew. Jung proposes a mutually beneficial partnership between the two. A more genuine version of yourself is the result of striking a balance between the many parts of your personality and not letting the backstage part dominate you. Come on, let's get down to brass tacks and figure out how to be authentic. The first step is to figure out what you hold most important in life. It's as if you were drawing up a plan for your life, leading you to make decisions that are in harmony with who you really are. Furthermore, you can benefit from engaging in self-reflection. It's a daily practice to reflect on your progress, recognize your achievements, and think about ways to get better. Setting boundaries isn't as intimidating as it sounds. Saying no when needed is an act of self-respect. It's about marking your personal space and preserving your energy for what truly matters. Embrace your shadow self. Acknowledge and understand the less shiny parts of you. Accept your quirks and imperfections. They make you unique. Remember, authenticity isn't about perfection. It's about being real. It's okay to make mistakes, learn, and grow. Strive for progress, not perfection. Give yourself the permission to be a work in progress. Lastly, cultivate gratitude by appreciating the positive aspects of your life daily. Now, let's address common roadblocks on your journey to being your true self. Society often imposes expectations on how to be, what to achieve, or who to become. Recognize these expectations, but don't let them dictate who you are. Fear of judgment is another obstacle. Remember, people are usually focused on their own lives. Understanding that judgment is a part of life frees you to be authentic without constantly worrying about others' opinions. Overcoming restrictive thoughts, those discouraging notions that dictate what you cannot achieve, is akin to shedding burdens that hold you back. Acknowledge them for what they are, mere thoughts, not irrefutable facts. Challenge these beliefs, alter your mindset, and witness how it broadens the spectrum of possibilities, allowing you to authentically be yourself. Now, let's discuss surmounting these obstacles. Seeking assistance is not a sign of vulnerability, but a demonstration of strength. Connecting with individuals who comprehend or share similar struggles offers valuable perspectives and encouragement, akin to having a supportive team cheering you on. Reframing negative self-talk is a transformative strategy. Instead of fixating on deficiencies or past missteps, concentrate on your achievements and capabilities. Small adjustments in your self-dialogue can profoundly influence your journey toward authenticity. Taking gradual steps toward authenticity is like building momentum. There's no need for abrupt transformations. Consistent, small actions, be it expressing your opinions or establishing boundaries, gradually lead you to a more genuine way of living. Having navigated the journey and overcome barriers, let's explore the merits of embracing your authentic self. Picture it as stepping into a version of yourself aligned with your values. Firstly, there's heightened self-confidence. Embracing your true self instills a natural sense of self-assurance, eliminating constant second-guessing or the need for approval. It's akin to standing on solid ground, recognizing and appreciating your worth. Deeper connections with others ensue naturally. Authenticity fosters genuine connections, as you're not presenting a curated version of yourself. People can relate to the real you, and meaningful relationships are built on honesty and authenticity. Another benefit is a greater sense of purpose. Living in alignment with your values and beliefs propels purpose-driven actions, transcending mere routine. It's about living intentionally and contributing to something larger than yourself. Now, addressing the challenges, embracing your true self might not always be smooth sailing. There could be hurdles, and not everyone may resonate with the authentic you. Nonetheless, the relationships and connections formed. When we live our lives to the fullest, we create memories that last a lifetime. Coming to terms with who you really are is a journey, not a destination. Your sense of who you are changes and develops alongside you. The road of self-discovery and authenticity is more important than reaching a fixed point. Now that you understand what it means to be genuine, let's talk about how to keep being yourself in your day-to-day interactions. It's the little, constant decisions that give authenticity its life, not the big, monumental ones. Taking care of oneself is essential. You can power your authenticity engine by taking care of your emotional and physical health. When you're rested, fed, and emotionally stable, being authentic in the face of life's chaos is much easier. One factor that is frequently disregarded is awareness, which is surprising. Just taking a moment to breathe and be in the here and now is enough, not having to become a meditation master. Keeping in touch with your inner self through this exercise can help you deal with life's unexpected turns with more authenticity. Make it a habit to be thankful, and remember to do so not only for the large victories, but also for the little things that life throws at you. Being grateful helps you stay rooted and reinforces the good things about your genuine path. Recognize and appreciate even the smallest of accomplishments. Authenticity is a journey, and it's important to stop and appreciate the little victories along the way. The last piece of advice is to surround yourself with upbeat people. Try to surround yourself with positive people, things, and experiences that help you feel more authentic. It's like if you were to cultivate an environment that fosters your sincerity and helps it flourish. To wrap up our investigation into genuineness, let's take a quick look at the idea of the ever-changing self. The path to authenticity, like life itself, is an ongoing adventure, as Carl Jung emphasized. Realize that transitions are inevitable and necessary for your development, rather than obstacles. Humans share memories, symbols, and experiences, according to Jung's theory of the collective unconscious. Recognize that your own development is a thread in the larger fabric of human experience, and welcome the communal aspect of progress. When it comes to altering one's views, beliefs, and behaviors, change can be particularly scary. But you must know that getting out of your comfort zone is a common part of growing. If you want to become more authentic, you have to learn to embrace discomfort, since that's a sign of development. If you find something meaningful, you might want to consider sharing it with someone else. Post your opinions and stories in the space provided. See you later.